Hi, with Katie, trying to help. All right, so here is a wipe out. And I promised you guys in 3 different speeds. We're going to start out only at 75. And hopefully this helps you to start practicing with a metronome as well. It's best to do bumps of maybe 2 or 3 at a time. I'm going to do bumps of 5. I want to do more because I want to push you guys. But at home, I want you to do only 2 to 3 beats jump as you increase your metronome. So starting at 75, we have 4 beats to measure, but that first beat we have a rest. So 75, and we're going to start with an up bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Alright, now let's bump it up by 5. We are now at 80. So I want you to feel that beat and start to subdivide. 1 and 2 and down. So sing the song a little bit in your head before you continue to play. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. So let's do one more. We're going to bump it to 85. And as we continue to get faster and faster, I'm using smaller and smaller bows until we're just doing little tiny bows. All right, again at 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. I want you to be cautious about as you are continuing to speed this up is that we have a clean slide forward. And if I don't even slide it, I do more of a snap. So I'm taking that second finger and snapping it into place, snap it back. So practice that snap on both of your strings, obviously, all of your strings. And as time goes on, as your violin career goes on, we're going to practice with all of the fingers. We're going to start doing some chromatic scales where we hit every note on the way up and on the way down. But remember to snap them into place because we don't want it, it's not as fun. For this piece, it's much too fast for us to slide into it. We want to snap. If we had too much of a slide, it's good for fiddles, but not for this one, so keep it nice and sharp.